Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I am Anmol Kashyap, a student of Class 6 Vivekanand. Today we are going to read Chapter 2, Lines and Angles. So let's start. Number 2. Find the degree measures of different angle in your classroom using your protractor. Teacher's note. It is important that students make their own protractor and use it to measure different angles before using the standard protractor so that they know the concept behind the marking of the standard protractor. Number 3. Find the degree measures for the angle given below. Check if your paper protractor can be used here. Number 4. How can you find the degree? Measure of the angle given below using a protractor. Number 5. Measure and write the degree. Measure for each of the following angles. A, B, C, D, E, F. Number 6. Find the degree measures of angle BXE. Angle CXE. Angle AXB and angle BXC. Number 7. Find the degree measures of angle PQR. Angle PQS and angle PQT. Number 8. Make the paper craft as per the given instructions. Then unfold and open the paper fully. Draw lines on the creases made. And measure the angles formed. Number 9. Measure all three angles of the triangle shown in figure 2.21a. And write the measures down near the respective angles. Now add up the three measures. What do you get? Do the same for the triangles in figure 2.21 B and C. Try it for other triangles as well. And then make a conjecture for. What happens in general? We will come back to why this happens in a later year. A, B, C. Figure 2.21. Mind the mistake. Mend the mistake. A student use a protractor To measure the angles as shown below. In each figure. Identify the incorrect uses. Of the protector and. Discuss how the reading. Could have been made and. Think how it can be corrected. Angle U is equal to 35 degree. Angle V is equal to 80 degree. Angle W is equal to 70 degree. Angle X is equal to 150 degree. Angle Y is equal to 120 degree. Angle Z is equal to 85 degree. Figure it out. Where are the angles? Number 1. Angles in a clock. A. The hands of a clock make different angles at different times. At 1 o'clock. And the angle between hands and 30 degree. Why? B. What will be the angle at 2 o'clock? And at 4 o'clock. 6 o'clock. C. Explore other angles made by the hands of a clock. Number 2. The angles of a door. It is possible to express the amount by which a door is opened using an angle. What will be the vertex of the angle? And what will be the arms of the angle? Number 3. Vidya is enjoying her time on the swing. She noticed that the greater the angle width which she starts the swinging, the greater is the speed she achieves on her swing. But where is the angle? Are you able to see any angle? Number 4. Here is a toy with slanting slabs attached to its sides. The greater the angle or slopes of the slabs, the faster the ball roll. Can angle be used to describe the slopes of the slabs? What are the arms of each angle? Which arm is visible? And which is not? Number 5. Observe the images below. Where there is an intersect and its rotate version. Can angles be used to describe the amount of rotation? How? What will be the arms of the angle? What will be the arms of the angle? And the vertex. And the vertex. Hint. Hint. Observe the horizontal line. Observe the horizontal line. Touching the insects. Touching the insects. Teacher's note. Teacher's note. It is important that students see the application of each mathematical concept in their daily lives. Teacher can organize some activities where a student can appreciate the practical application of angle in real life situation. Example. Clocks. Doors. Swings. Concept of uphill and downhill. Location of the sun. The giving of directions. etc. 2.10. Drawing angles. Vidya wants to draw a 30-degree angle and name it angle TIN using a protractor. In angle TIN, I will be the vertex. IT and IN will be the arms of the angle. Keeping one arm. Say IN as the reference base. The other arm IT should take a turn of 30 degrees. Step 1. Begin with the base and draw ray IN. Step 2. We will place the center point of protractor on I. And align IN to zero line. Step 3. Now, starting from 0, count your degree 0, 10, 30 up to 30. On the protractor, mark point T at the label 30 degree. Step 4. Using a ruler, join the point I and T. Angle TIN is equal to 30 degree is the required angle. Figure 2.22. Let's play a game number 1. This is an angle guessing game. Play this game with your classmates by marking two teams. Team 1 and Team 2. Here are the instructions and rule for the game. Team 1 secretly choose an angle measure. For example, 49 degree and make an angle with that measured using a protractor. Without team 2 being able to see it. Team 2 now gets to look at the angle. They have to quickly discuss and guess the number of degrees in the angle without using a protractor. Team 1 now demonstrate the true measure of the angle with a protractor. Team 2 score the number of points. That is the absolute difference in degrees between their guess and the correct measure. For example, if team 2 guesses 39 degree, then they score 10 points. 49 degree minus 39 degree. Each team get 5 turns. The winner is the team with the lowest score. Let's play a game number 2. We now change the rules of the game a bit. Play this game with your classmates by again making 2 teams. Team 1 and Team 2. Here are the instructions and rules. Team 1 announces to all and angle measure. Example 34 degree. A player from Team 2 must draw that angle on the board without using a protractor. Other member of Team 2 can help the player by speaking words like make it bigger or make it smaller. A player from Team 1 measures the angle with a protractor for all to see. Team 2 scores the number of points. That is the absolute difference in degrees between Team 2 angle size and the intended angle size. For example, if player's angle from Team 2 is measured to be 25 degree, then Team 2 scores 9 points. 34 degree minus 25 degree. Each team gets 5 turns. The winner is again the team with the lowest score. Teacher's note. These games are important to play to build institution about angles and their measures. Return to this game at least once or twice on the different days to build practice. In estimating angles, note that these games can also be played between pairs of students. Figure it out. Number 1. In figure 2.23, In figure 2.23. List all the angles possible. List all the angles possible. Did you find them all? Did you find them all? Now, guess the measure of all the angles. Guess the measures of all the angles. Then measure the angles with a protractor. Measure the angles with a protractor. Record all your number in a table. Record all your number in a table. See how close your guess are. See how close your guesses are. See how close your guesses are. See how close your guesses are. To the actual measured. To the actual measured. Figure 2.23. Figure 2.23. Number 2. Use a protractor to draw angles. Use a protractor to draw angles. Having the following degrees measured. Having the following degrees measured. A. 110 degree. 110 degree. B. 40 degree. 40 degree. C. 75 degree. 75 degree. D. 112 degree. 112 degree. E. 134 degree. 134 degree. Number 3. Draw an angle. Draw an angle. Whose degree measure is the same. Whose degree measure is the same. As angle given below. As angle given below. Also, write down the step. Write down the step. You follow to draw the angle. You follow to draw the angle. 2.11. 2.11. Types of angle and their measures. Types of angle and their measures. We have read about different types of angle in this chapter. We have read about different types of angle in this chapter. We have seen that a straight angle is 180 degree. We have seen that a straight angle is 180 degree. And a right angle is 90 degree. And the right angle is 90 degree. How can other types of angles? How can other types of angles? Acute and obtuse. Acute and obtuse. Be described in terms of their degree measures. Be described in terms of their degree measures. Acute angle. Acute angle. Angle that are smaller than the right angle. Angle that are smaller than the right angle. That is less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. Less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. Are called acute angle. Are called acute angle. Angle RPQ is equal to 40 degree. Angle RPQ is equal to 40 degree. Or angle QPR is equal to 40 degree. Angle QPR is equal to 40 degree. Angle RTS is equal to 50 degree. Angle RTS is equal to 50 degree. Or angle STR is equal to 50 degree. Angle STR is equal to 50 degree. Angle QFE is equal to 75 degree. Angle QFE is equal to 75 degree. Or angle EFQ is equal to 75 degree. Angle EFQ is equal to 75 degree. Examples of acute angle. Examples of acute angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Angles that are greater than the right angle. Angles that are greater than the right angle. And less than the straight angle. And less than the straight angle. That is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Greater than 90 degree and less than 180 are called obtuse angle. Are called obtuse angle. Angle XIS is equal to 110 degree. Angle XIS is equal to 110 degree. Or angle SIS is equal to 110 degree. Angle SIS is equal to 110 degree. Angle TWS is equal to 130 degree. Angle TWS is equal to 100. Or Angle SWT is equal to 130 degree. Examples of obtuse angle. Have we covered all the possible measures that an angle can take? Here is another type of angle. Reflex angle. Angle that are greater than straight angle and less than the whole angle, that is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, are called reflex angle. Reflex angle PAC or reflex angle PAB. Reflex angle TMS or reflex angle SMT. Examples of reflex angles. Figure it out. 1. In each of the below grades, join A to other grid point in the figure by a straight line to get A. An acute angle, B. An obtuse angle, C. A reflex angle. Mark the intended angles with curves to specify the angles. One has been done for you. Number 2. Use the protractor to find measure of each angle. Then classify each angle as acute, obtuse, right, or reflex. A. Angle PTR. B. Angle PTQ. C. Angle PTW. D. Angle WTP. Let's explore. In this figure, angle TER is equal to 80 degree. What is the measure of angle BET? What is the measure of angle SET? Hint. Observe the angle REB in a straight angle. Observe the angle REB in a straight angle. Observe that angle REB is a straight angle. Hint. Observe that angle REB is a straight angle. Hence, the degree measure of angle REB is equal to 180 degree. Of which 80 degree is covered by angle TER. A similar argument can be applied to find the measure of angle SET. Figure it out. Number 1. Draw angles with the following degrees measured. A. Hint. Hint. Observe that angle REB is a straight angle. Hence, the degree measure of angle REB is equal to 180 degree. Of which 80 degree is covered by angle TER. A similar argument can be applied to find the measure of angle SET. Figure it out. 1. Draw angles with the following degree measures. A. 140 degree. B. 82 degree. C. 195 degree. D. 70 degree. E. 35 degree. 2. Estimate the size of each angle. And then measure it with a protractor. A. B. C. D. E. F. Classify this angle as acute. Right. Obtuse or reflex angle. 3. Make any figure with 3 acute angle on one right angle and 2 obtuse angles. 4. Draw the letter M such that the angle on the sides are 40 degree each and the angle in the middle is 60 degree. 5. Draw the letter Y such that the 3 angles formed are 150 degree, 60 degree, and 150 degree. 6. The Ashok Chakra has 24 spokes. 6. The Ashok Chakra has 24 spokes. What is the degree measure of the angle between two spokes next to each other?